As a well-established manufacturer focused on braiding technologies since 1970, Arer Machine has become a globally preferred solution partner. Since our foundation, our goal has been to develop braiding machines that deliver high efficiency, long service life, and application-specific adaptability. In line with this vision, we continuously invest in R&D and upgrade our production infrastructure, providing tailored solutions for a wide range of industries, including cable manufacturing, rope and yarn production, medical tubing, automotive wire harnessing, marine applications, and textiles. Our braiding machines, fully designed and manufactured in-house to meet industry-specific requirements, stand out with their user-friendly interfaces, flexible configuration options, and high-precision mechanical systems. Depending on customer needs, our machines can be integrated with take-up systems, enclosed or open structures, touchscreen control panels, and advanced automation solutions, ensuring full alignment with production goals. Today, as Arer Machine, we export to more than 20 countries, commission hundreds of new machines each year, sustain customer satisfaction with long-lasting spare parts and reliable service support. For us, quality, consistency, and technical support are not just promises. They form the foundation of our corporate approach. With ISO-compliant production processes, an experienced engineering team, and a product development strategy driven by user feedback, we provide our partners not just machines, but long-term solutions. Our mission: to deliver reliable, efficient, and innovative braiding solutions by combining our 55 years of unique experience with the latest technologies, meeting the highest global standards across multiple industries.